In the previous part of video lecture, we have seen the examples of motion, rest, and how motion and rest are relative terms. In this lecture, we are going to see the various types of motion. In this, first we will look at the rectilinear motion. The definition of this motion is the motion of a particle or object in a straight path or one-dimensional motion. Is rectilinear motion. Examples of this motion are the motion of a car, on straight road or path. Second type of motion is rotational motion, also called as rotatory motion. Rotatory motion. The definition of this type of motion is motion of a body about an axis is called rotational motion, or this can be also defined as a motion in which an object spins about a fixed axis is called rotational motion or rotatory motion. The examples of this motion are the Earth's spinning or spin on its axis, which is also known as rotation. Another types of motion which you have not heard about earlier are two-dimensional motion. It is very easy to understand. Its definition is very easy. The motion of a particle in a plane like xy plane, yz plane is called two-dimensional motion. two-dimensional motion. Examples of this motion are motion of a particle, motion of a particle or object on a circular path, like we can say along the circumference of circle. This motion is called as, or this is an example of two-dimensional motion. The other type of motion is three-dimensional motion. Now you can guess what will or what type of this motion would be. The motion of a particle in space is three-dimensional motion. Three-dimensional motion. Example is motion of a flying bird which flies in space, which doesn't have any boundary. Of a flying bird, or motion of a football, that is swinging motion of football swinging in air, changing direction in air.